Good Wednesday evening, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to give you a quick walk around. We almost forgot to do it tonight. It's late, time to go home. Actually, we done left, come back. So I'm going to give you a quick walk around. Start right over here. The old white Dodge pickup. Done several different things too. Tell you one thing that me and Alan just done. We scraped the tint off these two windows. You can see it kind of laying around everywhere. It done turned purple and they was wanting it off, so we scraped both of them, got it off. I believe we put some headlights in it. I'm not sure exactly what all been doing to it. Like I said, it had several odd and end things. Like I said, I know a couple new headlights. We scraped the tent, other little things. The Cutlass, Drake's been using the rust treatment. He got the two fenders done and got them primed. I wish I had a picture of that bare fender beside the treated fender. We got the one that the one we rust treated, and the door, you could tell the difference between night and day, how much cleaner and better the fender looked. But like I said, you got both of those treated, clean, and primed. So now we'll move on to the doors, roof, quarter, all that, so we can get that body work started. It's coming along nice. That right there is just the parts car for the green one over here. You can see we've stripped about most of it off. Anyway, and we've got it over here on the frame machine. We had it pulled and everything, but we needed to do some tweaking. We put this quarter, the rear body panel, and the trunk pan that we took off of that and we put on here. Got everything a whole lot closer. Just got to do some little tweaking, and you can see how it's starting to all line up pretty good. Can't tell as much on this side because it's tab where we had to pull that over a little bit. But we just about got it ready to start welding it on. Like I said, we took it off as the body panel, the back panel, the floor, and the quarter all together, and the jam. Show you right here. See, we replaced all that. So all that'll be real nice because this is a nice car, a nice, good title car, and we want it to be nice. Close that back. I don't think the battery's hooked up, but anyway, you can see that pretty green when the light gets just right. Like I said, I believe we got the little, I believe it's a little Kia under there that hit the animal. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what it is. Bumper cover, stuff like that, fog light. Got it, pretty clean car, so keep the dust and stuff off of it. That's really all we got to kind of show. The bumper covers, if you remember the Toyota Avalon that was on the lift, got everything put back together on it. It's out front, and we have the bumper covers in the paint booth. Bumper covers are painted. We'll try to assemble them tomorrow and get them on and send the paperwork off, and they'll be ready for inspection. Inspector come and inspected the Expedition and the little blue, help me out, was it a Toyota? I can't even remember. Was it a Toyota or a Honda? The little blue car that was on the frame machine. Got it inspected, just about ready to go. It'll be for sale. Like I said, that's about all I got going on to show. Kind of dark out here, and I don't know if there's anything really out here to show. But anyway, that's what's going on this week. 256 Garage. Hopefully we'll get that thing lined up and Dodge finished. Some more primed on the Cutlass and moving along. 256 Garage out.